Good, my Poke ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, it's everybody. So we're gonna go eat at the Korean authentic restaurant. Siyempre, bago lang sa channel ko, and subscribe to comment down below. Yes, and buenos dias, buenas noches, and buenas tardes, and of course, sa mga kapumpan may Poke. Yes, at yung kiniking songbuk si Jang. Siyempre, mga kung kay, what you call that, I would like to eat some itang Korean soup authentic sa muraya mo ini nakaya collagen at saka taba-taba. Siyempre dahil tutuwata na, siyempre mag-gravy tama mo rin paman. So we're gonna try the Korean food for today because I really love it and I like the, what you call it, I like the soup and of course yung kanilang kimchi at side dishes na, and of course the rice. So we're gonna go in the, masa na ba yun? And because right now the weather is so hot and it's of course it's a little bit humid, but right now it's almost like a 5. It's like a dinner time, so we're gonna go eat some of my favorite Korean authentic restaurant. Dito kay Imo. So we're gonna go in here. This one in here. Ito yung kanyang lutuan. Meron sila mga sundekok. Like the old food. 안녕하세요. Gonna go eat inside. 안녕하세요.
네, 안녕하세요.
So right in here. So this am I talking about. So wow, it's really cool inside. So they have a menu in here. Imagine it's only like 8,000 won. That's a really good, and of course meron silang AC, so it's really hot, it's really cold inside. At the same time, ito yung kanyang small kitchen, and yun si Imo, they're gonna prepare right now.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Every time we go to the Korean restaurant, imagine that while we're waiting, we choose the soup, and of course, ito. Kasi kimchi pa lang is ulam mo. Imagine there's only like a rice and kimchi for me. I think it's really good.
And it's, I like this.
Yeah, man. So right now mga Java, look at that. They serve it, the sundekok. Sundekok is really good. I forgot it, the name. It might be like a sundekok. This one is really good and it's not really expensive, and this one is cheap, only like 8,000 won. Yes, maybe shout out to each everybody. Siyempre, we are hungry and I'm really hungry, and of course right now, and the weather outside is not really hot. It's really cold. So tamang-tama ito sa mga napupuyat na kamukha kong breadwinning award. And of course, nilagyan natin siya ng, what you call that? I think that's a little bit like a salt. They put like a chili pepper in there. It's really good. It was so yummy, and we can share the love tonight. And of course, this one's authentic and organic, and of course, very healthy food, Korean style. And I put some pepper. And of course, napakadami yata ng pepper, but it's really good. And of course, it's not spicy. And I like this, it's really hot. And of course, eto na, higupin na natin. Parang higup ng sabaw talaga ng sinigang. At napakasarap, tamang-tama ito sa panlasa mo, sa panlasa ko, at sa panlasa ng isang breadwinning award. Nilagyan natin asin. And of course, eto na, kakain na tayo dahil gutom na gutom ako. Kagagaling ko lang mag-gym. And of course, yes, itatapos lang ng weekend. It's really good at napakasarap. San ka pa? And of course, one bite for you first. Siyempre sa ating mga breadwinning award, one bite for we always inspired, never expired. San ka pa? Eto na. Siyempre, I'm gonna dip the meat sa I think that's salted shrimp It's really good, lalo na pag may kanin. Masarap ito. Siyempre, hindi mawala ang kanilang mga kimchi, mga side dishes nila, and it's really good. Imagine that is like almost like 8,000 won per serving. Wala pa siyang almost like a $5. Sa Pilipinas, I think almost like 250 pesos. But I'm really hungry. Saan ka pa? Yes. Sa Pilipinas, hindi rin mawawala ang ating mga Jobber cars na they love to cook, and of course, they learn how to cook and by watching on YouTube. Yes, syempre mga Jobber guys, we always inspire all over the world. 안녕하세요. And of course, merhaba sa Vivian Bender right in there in Turkey. Kain na po tayo. And of course, buenos dias, buenas noches, buenas tardes. Te quiero mucho right in there in Madrid International Airport and in Spain. And kimchi, it's really, you know, imagine that the kimchi and rice, for me, it's really good. Nabisi yata si Imo. 안녕하세요, Imo. Nabisi si Imo sa kakakain. Ano, sa kakabisi. At busy naman ako sa kakakain. It's really good. Habang ito ay aking bino-voice over, ako naman ay umiinom ng tubig lang naman kasi nagutom ako almost like madaling araw na in here. So po, syempre this one is really content. Then syempre we always inspired, never expired. Inom muna ako. Nawaw ako siya. And after this one, and after ng ating voice over, and of course I'm gonna make screencast live streaming or live streaming. Ganun talaga. We always inspired, never expired. Siyempre, ang ating kasipagan, ang ating kayaman. It's really good. The soup is really awesome. And of course, it's really, really healthy. At talagang the way they boil this, almost like a couple hours to make tender the meat. It's really good, and I dip in the shrimp paste. Now, a little bit like salty. It's really good at napakasarap. Tamang-tama ito para sa'yo, para sa may hangover na kamukha ko. Yes. Mura na, and of course very healthy pa. Hindi naman masyadong kamahalan. But syempre, we always inspired, never expired. Babalik pa ako dito at binabalik-balikan ko ito every time na meron akong hangover at talagang bumabalik-balik ako dito. This one is located sa what you call that, Sombok Sejang right here in Songtan. And at malapit yan. Look at that. Oh, syempre. Ang buhok. Medyo natapos na. It's really good. So, thank you. We gotta go home. Oh my God, finally mga Jobber gods. I'm full. Thank you so much.